Welcome to China Airline. Thank you for choosing the airline.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
If you wonder why the plane made from plastic, what the fuck you think this is? We're not in America. This is good quality made in China.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
My name is Captain Ming Lee, and I'll be flying for 12 days. I learned yesterday from YouTube tutorial. Now I can fly a plane. Announcement from the pilot. If you're wondering where your pet gone, if you have a dog or cat, thank you very much for my meal. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you something about this plane. This plane is made for me and my father. This is homemade. I made it at home. So if you're wondering where is the wing gone, who needs wings? This is China, the new innovation of the world. We are one of the smartest people on earth.